Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and today I'm coming out from our office, from our main office that is located in the city center of Torrevieja. Yes, it's a center. We are just 150 meters away from the old church and the square that is called Plaza de Constitución. We are 200 meters away from the port, and we are just 400 meters away from the new commercial center that will be opened this summer in August. So, well, you are always welcome to come to visit us to our main office in Torrevieja. And the reason why I'm filming this video today, it's a lot of noise. Sorry for that. Maybe we have a lot of traffic, people walking here. Well, the reason is that we get yesterday one nice apartment on sale that is located just 50 meters away from here. And now, within more words, follow me. Just 1 minute from here, I will show you this apartment. So friends, and just 1 minute walk, and here we are. This is the main entrance to the building. As an information, those two ground floors was completely renovated last year, for 1 year ago. So now it's brand new. Everything what you'll see inside is new, and our one is this one left. So we go to the building, to inside the building, then we have the stairs to go to upper floors, but our apartment is this ground floor. As you see, the windows are pretty high, so nobody is looking inside the bedroom, and we have a lot of things to offer. Follow me and I will show you. So from the building, this is the main entrance. Friends, everything is new. New entrance door, new air conditioning machines, new floor, new doors, new windows, walls, lighting, kitchen, bedrooms. Everything what you will see now, it's new, completely new. Let's start with the bedroom. What I really like of this bedroom is the big size. We have 15 square meters, big bedroom size. The windows are new, as I mentioned before. They are going direct to the main street where I start filming the video. They are pretty high. You have a lot of privacy here, so you have privacy. Nobody is looking at your bedroom. So yeah, and check the size. Very big wardrobe in the whole surface of the wall. Air conditioning machine. We have 3 air conditioning machines in the both bedrooms, and in the living room. And following, we have the second bedroom. It's not that big as the first one, but still enough to put a double bed. We have a window that goes to a patio. I will show you this patio later. This patio connects the living room, the second bedroom, both bedrooms, and the kitchen. We have window to this patio, so the apartment is very good ventilated. Following, here we have the first bedroom with the shower plate. It's as a new build, because when you go and buy new build now, it will be something very similar. Of course, we have a window, that's very important. And yes, we can split the sleeping space and the living space with this door. Very comfortable. And the second bedroom, also with shower plate, also with window that goes to the patio. And now look at this nice modern kitchen. So you must not to do nothing. The fridge even have an ice, wash disher, oven, microwave, everything new, brand new kitchen, an open plan. So yes, have a lot of space. Also here, the living room. Check it out, how much space you have here. And let's see this patio. We have here the entrance to the patio that have 10 square meter size. And as I mentioned before, friends, we have here the water boiler. We can put the washing machine here, water, and the windows from the bedrooms and the small bedroom. On here we have some small storage to storage your things. And now, friends, Yes, 70 square meters useful area in this apartment. It's very big for Spanish standards. And this slide window drive us to this private terrace. We have 25 square meters private terrace, and we can cover the roof to have more privacy and open it. If we open it, of course, we get some more sun. Yeah, but if you want to have privacy, because up we have in the upper floors, we have windows from the neighbors, just pull this awakening and enjoy. So, location, direct in the center. It has a nice big terrace. It's completely renovated. We now are selling ground floor apartments in the new build buildings. They're very small. They have nothing to do with this. And we're selling them for 230, 240,000 euro. This apartment here costs 198,000 euro. You buy a brand new apartment from inside with everything. Just you must get some furniture, and that's it, in the city center of Torrevieja, with a big surface, with 2 big patio and terraces. And we think that it's a very good offer comparing with the new build. So I will go for something like this, with nice renovation, with big surface, in a good place, then buy a new build and paying 40 or 50,000 euro. Very good option for very good price. I'm sure this apartment will be sold very quick. If you need more details about this property or any other property, don't mind to contact me. I leave you here my contact details, and I'm always available to answer all the questions or give you any kind of information. I wish you all the best. Share this video with your family, your friends and lovers, and see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.